Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sunshine Story for Kids. Today I'm going to tell you a very interesting story. So without wasting our time, let's get started. See how much Allah loves you. One of the name of Allah is Ar-Rahman, which means the merciful. We see how merciful Allah is every day, but we may not realize it. He gives us food to eat, a safe house to live in, good clothes to wear, family and friends that love us. The list goes on and on. There are ways in which Allah is merciful to us that we can't even see. There are two angels always at either side of us. The angel on the right records our good deeds, and the angel on our left records our bad deeds. The Prophet, peace be upon him, tells us that whenever we think of something bad to do, Allah tells the angel on the left to not record that deed until we actually do it. And if we do the bad deed, then Allah tells the angel to write it down only as one. But if we don't do the bad deeds, after thinking about, Allah tells the angel to write it down as good deed. What about when we think of a good deed? When we simply think of a good deed, Allah tells the angel to write it down. Can you imagine getting a reward for having good thoughts? When we actually do the deed, Allah tells the angel to write the reward to 10 to 700 times. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, must share, follow, like and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.